If you've ever wanted to connect two pages in Figma so you can jump between them quickly and keep your design workflow organized, this tutorial is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the simplest way to copy a page link, add it to text on your canvas, and create a clickable connection between pages in Figma. This is super useful for prototypes, navigation labels, internal documentation, and making your file much easier to use. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more Figma tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, look over to the left-hand Layers panel and find the page you want to link to. This is the destination page, meaning the page you want people to open when they click the link. Once you've found it, right-click on that page and choose Copy Link to Page. Figma will copy the page URL directly to your clipboard, so you don't need to manually search for it or build the link yourself. Now move back to the canvas and select the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. This can be a button label, a navigation item, a heading, or any piece of text you want users to interact with. After selecting the text, look at the right sidebar and click the chain link icon. This is the option that lets you attach a URL to your selected text. Once the link field appears, paste the page URL you copied earlier and press enter to confirm it. As soon as you do that, your text will now be linked to the destination page. If you want to test it, simply click the linked text and make sure it opens the correct page. This is a very simple workflow, but it makes a huge difference when you're building connected designs and organized Figma files. It also helps when you're sharing work with teammates because they can move around your pages much faster. So just to recap, right-click the destination page, copy the page link, select the text on your canvas, click the chain link icon, paste the URL, and press enter. That's all it takes to connect two pages in Figma. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.